Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammed and today we are going to discuss the installation of Hadoop and create the program for word count. First of all, we will download the Java SE development software from the link given in the description. We will install the 64-bit program depend on your system. I have already installed it. Now we will download the Hadoop software from the link given in the description. We will download the latest version of it. By clicking this link, we will download the Hadoop software, and I have already installed it. Now we will install Java SE development kit, which is in the downloads folder, and when we will install it, we will install the Java kit JDK kit in the program files, which you can see here, which I have already installed. And the main Java file will be installed in the C directory, and we will create the Java folder in the C directory and choose this location. After downloading both, we will merge the both files. We will simply cut it and paste it. Now we will set the environment variable and path. We will simply click on here, and the variable name will be Java_home, and the path will be here, the path of JDK bin folder, which is this. And I will create the path here also. After setting the environmental variable and path, Java is successfully installed. Now we will install Hadoop. First we will extract the Hadoop folder, which is in the downloads. So I am renaming it to Hadoop for my convenience. Now we perform some configuration. We will go to Hadoop folder, etc, and we will edit 5 files. This one, and STFS, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we have opened all of these files. Now we will make some change in them, and in the core side we have some code here. We will change it. We will simply copy paste it and paste it. I will continue the video after changing it. So I have updated all the files except Hadoop env. We will simply change this line, and we will paste the GDK path, and our GDK is present here. We will copy the path from here. And we will simply paste it here. After these updations, we will go to C and do folder, and we will create two folders. First we will make the folder of data, and then we will create two subfolders in it. Name data node, and name node. Now we'll set the environmental variable name and value. We will go to create variable name Hadoop underscore home, and the path will be the bin folder inside the Hadoop folder. Simply copy this path and paste it here. On the last step, is to replace the original bin folder with the bin folder, which you can download from the description, and I have already downloaded it. This is the bin folder. I will simply cut it, go here, go to Hadoop, delete. We will open the command prompt, and we will connect to the Hadoop server using some commands. we will write command hdfs name node dash format. Now we will move to the Hadoop admin folder. Using some commands, change directory commands. And write the command start all. Now write the command gps. Now we search localhost colon 9870 for the confirmation. Now we make input directory in hdfs and write the command here in the command prompt, which is hadoop fs mkdir / input dir. We'll simply copy paste there. Now we'll make the input text file in the C drive. And I take the sample text and copy paste there. Now copy the input text file in the input directory, and we will make it by the command hadoop fs put c colon input file.txt and input dir. We'll simply copy paste here. We can verify the txt file by this command. We will simply copy paste here. I will provide you all the commands in the given video description. And as you can see, we have found one item, we made one file. To verify the content, we will write this command. I will simply copy paste it. As you can see, the content is here. Now we will work for the word count, and we will paste this command in the command prompt. can see, it gives all step now to verify the output. We will write this command there. As you can see, the output is here and the word count problem has been solved. All the material is attached in the description. Thank you for watching this video.